Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to share location on Google Maps. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and enter the Google Maps app. And as you can see right here, this is my location and everything, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into clicking right here. Let me just close this one. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on my avatar icon at the top right. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to see right here the location sharing. Click on it, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here stay connected, and I'm gonna just click right here share location, and basically you're gonna select the email or the social media that you want to share. So I'm gonna just click right here more options, for example, right, and it's gonna open up a new window for me, and you can just share it to a WhatsApp, maybe to someone else. In my case, I'm gonna just go ahead maybe and share it to someone within the WhatsApp. And let's say for example, I'm gonna share it to myself, and I'm gonna just hit next right here. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here, this is my real-time location, and basically send it, and that's it really. And after you finish, just hit done. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.